You know what I find amazing? Nature. Hey, hey, be quiet. I'm trying to talk. Do you hear that? Do you hear them? I'm trying to talk to you guys, and they're just yelling at the top of their lungs. Can't get a single word out. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Nature is so rude. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Somebody just left their wagon right there. Just left it there. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw their wagon down the hill just to make them mad. That's what I'm gonna do right there. Yeah. What do you think about that, huh? Yeah, take that, nature. Gosh. Okay, I'm in a hole right now. As you can see the sides of the hole. You know? I'm in a hole with sticks on the top. Look at all those sticks on the top. See all those sticks on the top? Yeah, so... yeah. Okay, well... look how unstable those are. I swear all these sticks are gonna fall down. Right on my head. And I'm gonna die. And that wouldn't be good. So I'm gonna get out of this hole right now. Okay. Well. Nature. Hey. Hey. Be quiet. Seriously. Hey. 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 Not even kidding. Be quiet. Jeez. Can you believe these guys? Oh, alright. I'm gonna have to let you go. Here's a picture of a tree.